My name is Matos. I work for AIG. We are a very large insurance company. We are all over the world. We provide insurance products varying from consumer, commercial, we have auto, we have home. We have a lot also on the innovation side, including things like drones, insurance for organizations and others. I support the data and analytics technology services. We manage a large amount of data within the organization supporting everything. We have technology stacks that support from very large, rich, let's say MPP type databases. We have visualization solutions, and also we have a very large and growing Hadoop environment. Big data is at the forefront of capability understanding at AIG for the products that we have and understanding the customers that we serve. We hope to achieve intelligence and also a broader level of understanding of the capabilities that we have within the organization, our efficiencies, the products that we provide, other areas of opportunities around solutions and services that we can provide as value add to customers. So by correlating data, we hope to achieve a broader level of understanding of the data that we have, the products that we have, by bridging the gaps between different lines of businesses, our financial systems, our security organizations, our IT services, our broader engagement areas that we have with customers. These are all segmented capabilities that can be brought together that can provide a rich level of both intelligence and also a future area for product understanding. The data lake was it's an eventual kind of I'll say, evolution for the organization. We've come from a very, I'll say, a defensive regulatory posture. And it was great for providing reports and services that are needed to run the business. But it's limiting in the sense that it doesn't support innovation. It doesn't support massive data ingestion, being able to support IoT services, and just the emergence of other new capabilities, machine learning and others. The natural progression in our evolution from data management has been a big data platforms, and being able to provide consolidation of our content makes us just that much more intelligent of the services we have. It also makes us much more agile in terms of how we provide changes to the marketplace by understanding the patterns of the content that we also have. I actually started with at the early stages of the data lake solution within AIG. And it's grown. In the very short time, this is in dog years. It was for the internet and what we're doing. The emergence of capabilities have been just immersive, let's say. Before the data lake, we did not have a strategy that was well conforming to agility of the data that we had. We had, again, content that lived in separate, different segments. We had no centralized location to be intelligent about different types of content being merged together. In a very relational system, which we existed in, tended to have a very well understood strategy methodology for even adding a single item, because there's a mapping to that, to a specific type of regulatory report. The data lake takes us away from that. It really gets us into a capability that allows a lot more flexibility. We can react faster to business needs, and we can also derive understanding where it wasn't available before. We're a very large organization, so we tend to project-based a lot of things. So the casual assessment of data and contents and patterns is a difficult thing to achieve on a broad scale. Machine learning takes us, creates an automated human. It really helps us and extends what we can do with understanding the content that we have in ways which could potentially just be unimaginable with just normal processes that we have today. So 1 to 3 years for data analytics is going to be I'll be very optimistic. I think it's going to be amazing. It's going to grow to a point where systems will be better integrated because there'll be more protocols and standards established. We're going to have IoT be pervasive, and that type of framework is going to allow us to be able to have notifications immediately to those who need to receive it. I think the assemblance of data is just going to grow in terms of how we pull the data in, and of course the quantity of data is going to grow. So I definitely see it almost happening today. So in 1 to 3 years we can definitely see a situation where the machines, hopefully through, again, evolution of our machine learning capabilities on describing that content back to us, and us being able to make decisions against it, supporting things like, hey, that's a great product, why don't we do it? Segmentation of our marketplace in ways that we cannot describe today. And we're going to be almost in a cohabitating function with the machines, supporting us with the businesses that we provide.